Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. This is me, Irene Varieties channel. So one of my fans just wrote me on the comment section and said she'll be wondering if I will make any of my snacks while showing my face. So I decided now to make one so that I can show my face for you, for my popular viewers to see. So right now I'll be making cake balls. You can also call it buns. So I am living here in Italy. In Italy we call it Frittelle Soffici di carnevale. So we are in the carnival period right now. Most carnival season we make these snacks. You can also make it throughout the year. So let us start by first, let me show you the ingredients. So this is 1 egg, then I add 2 spoons of sugar. Then this is my baking powder. This is about half spoon of baking powder. So I add about 2 spoons of oil, sunflower oil. Then I add about, let me say 30 grams. Then I mix together. After mixing for a while, just exactly the way they mix cake, then I add about 200 or I may say from 150 to 200 of all-purpose flour. Then I will put some drops of lemon. Then I mix. I add more of the milk. Then I mix thoroughly. So I'll be dropping the ingredients on the description box. You might be wondering I didn't measure it. The thing is that I normally know the measurements myself when I'm doing it. Li faccio come le ricette delle nonne di solito. Faccio come ricette delle nonne, anche senza misurarli, io già so quello che faccio. So I'm going to mix it light. The measurements of my all-purpose flour is just okay like this. Frittelle Soffici al cucchiaio, you can also call it like that, is a cake ball or you call it buns. It's a carnival snacks. You can eat it all day for breakfast, lunch hour, lunch break, and for snacks hour. So before I start frying, I put put my pot on. I on and put oil to fry. I'll wait for the oil to get hot before I start frying. The oil is already hot, so I start by frying. So I continue like this until I finish. Okay, I'm done with the frying, so I'll be showing you the next where I'm going to taste the cake balls. It's ready. Then I sprinkle icing sugar on it. Icing sugar. This is icing sugar. So it's ready. Let me have a taste of it. First of all, you can see it's well cooked. So yummy, so yummy. Please like, share, comment in the comment section below if you like my recipe. Take a try and make some of my recipe and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Se ti piace la mia ricetta, provateci, mi mettete che mi piace,
comment, iscriverti al mio canale e grazie per la visione. Alla prossima!